Yo, 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 what's up, peoples? This is JV back at it again. Uh, all right, well, just trying to make sure I ain't on mute there. Sorry, I paused for a quick second. All right, well, it is 2:06 a.m. Um, what is this, February 4th, 2019? Beautiful day to be alive, as is every day, peoples. So we are checking out Euro USD to start off this day. It is pretty much Sunday today, going into Monday. Um, Sorry I didn't do this a little earlier. Usually try to do this before the market opens, but the market has opened up and it is looking lovely. We are looking at the hourly right now, and I believe we have started out our breakout. Um, so last week, last couple weeks, this was 3 weeks ago. This is 1 week right here. This is 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So we're on our fourth week, I believe. Trading with JV, low key trading with JV on its fourth week. So we have been following this pair so far. Right now, I am looking for this to retrace off of this zone. I was really looking forward to a touch on this green here, um, but I was looking at that whole zone as a very important support and resistance zone. I'm gonna go and zoom out to the 4 hours in order to show you what I am talking about. Um, as far as why it was important for me, that price action where we are at now. And this is pretty much it right here, guys. I could just join these two together. So this whole price action right here, this whole zone, this plus this one is what I was looking at for the retracement. Very important price action where it has shown breakouts and you know, came back into this consolidation zone. So I was expecting this breakout came all the way back into the zone. So now I'm expecting the next breakout to be higher than this. So I was looking to where is it gonna go? It broke out of this, and I was looking for a retouch there, um, which last week didn't really give it to us. Kind of with the setup that we have on UJ, it didn't really give it to us. So I was kind of expecting this to come down and touch it this week. Right now, I'm not looking too sure that it's gonna go there. I think we have already started the pull back up, and ooh, nice, very nice. Since I've started talking here, yeah, but I believe we have started to pull back up, and that is because of this 5 minute entry that I am gonna show you out here. But first, I'm gonna show you on a bigger time frame on a 30. Show you how this price moves like that. So right here is the perfect example in a bigger time frame. 1, 2, 3, and this whole movement was divergent in a RSI. So if we go to the RSI, you could see that that movement, we called it being divergent, and it ended up becoming a lower low all the way down here, and meeting it. So that was some nice divergence that we saw there before the pull up, but it was a 1, 2, 3 touch going down. And if we go to this one over here, you can see that as well. 1, 2, 3 touch. You could see it a little better on this 15. But yeah, 1, 2, 3 going lower and then bells out. So on this entry here, you could have seen it in the fives, and that is king entry in my point of view, the 5 minute time frame. So we went 1, 2, 3, and that is what we ended up looking at right before this. Boom! So we got this entry here, guys, and it is still a pretty good zone. This could come back and hit here before it bells out. Uh, but if we just trend it from here down to this zone here, we're gonna make this a baby blue because it is on the 5-minute time frame, and that baby blue has it looks like it has officially been broken. I would like a nice close um, because it's messing around there. So if we see some consolidation here, we could see a drop down here and then bail out. Or we could see this break, which I think it's gonna do. It's gonna just break, close out of there, retrace, grinding around this zone here, and bail out. So those are the two possibilities that I see happening as far as this, this, this. Or second possibility, this, this. So either one of those guys would be um, super lit. I just have to keep an eye out on that and see when it's ready to jump out of there and break out of there. But Euro USD, guys, it's gonna be beautiful for the week. I think we're just gonna see a bull run, the best one we've seen yet, starting February. So second month of the year, guys, and I think we are about to break out in a lot of markets, crypto being one of them. So, if you haven't checked out the crypto video I did, go and check that out. Marked up a couple of cryptocurrency pairs. But yes, guys, I think that we are about to see a very, very important bull run starting already. And day one closing will be target. And after that, we'll try to get another target re-entry on day two. And so that we could catch that going all the way up again. And after day two, we're just going to hold those trades for the rest of the week and catch some good pippage till the end of the week. I said this in the other video. I don't know who is going to be holding this for the swing, but I am holding this for the swing all the way up to this zone, and hopefully we'll even see it touch up here. But this red line is our swing take profit, and we are looking that to be this total of 400 pips from first entry. So we'll see how it goes. Super excited on that. Other than that, let's put on the numbers to see how much we would be risking on this entry here. So we'll go down to, let's say, I don't even know where we. Well, we ended up getting in down here, guys. Literally this whole wick. So I'm just gonna put it there, and I'm gonna put the stop loss right underneath that wick. It's about a 5 pip stop loss. Target one for the night is gonna be here at 20 pips. So this is day trading, guys. This is how you catch some pips for the night and just close out and re-entry the next day. Swing trading, this would be it right here. You would put in the stop loss at around 30 pips underneath the green zone, and you would be looking to take profit sometime along the week, uh, so at a bigger target. So you would be looking for really the top 70 but I would even go as far as putting in the next target in there. And the next target for that swing, if you're risking 30 pips, you're really trying to get your 100. So we are gonna go and put the whole 100 pips, and the 100 pip target would be there. So that actually fits perfectly if you put a trend line from, let me show you guys. Gotta move this up a bit. All right, so that would actually fit perfectly if you ended up putting a trend line from here to here. Boom. We're gonna make that blue because that is 30 minutes. 30 minutes hourlies and stuff, we do that in blue. Anything that's 4 hour all the way to the weeklies, so we do that red. And 15s, 5s, and 1s, we do them baby blues. So that is how I mark my stuff up. Gonna get rid of all this scribble scrabble. We already have seen that. Who's been keeping up with the videos knows what all of those predictions were and how that's been going. So if we see where this next target would be for this trend line, you could easily tell that it is here, touching. You make it touch. Ooh, 120 pips. So that is where we're heading, guys. That is what I see happening on Euro USD. We are gonna put a major. We're gonna call this our major trend line here, and as soon as it breaks that, I'm looking for this target. So I'm thinking it's gonna break that maybe tomorrow. Might even be Wednesday. Might even go on something like 1, 2, third touch. Ooh, hopefully it doesn't do that, guys. That would, ooh, that would be some stuff right there. But you have to look into all these possibilities. So it could even do this, guys. 1, 2, 3 touch tonight, and then drop back down again. So like I said, that 20 pips right there, I think was our TP for day trading, and after, yeah, right there. So after that, well, this could very possibly drop. So just keep an eye out for that TP. And other than that, we will be going on to the next pair. We are gonna do USDcad next. USD. What is going on USDCAD, guys? Ooh, nice. So we're looking at a continuation on USDCAD. I think it's just gonna keep on rolling from this blue zone that it has just tapped, and we're fixing to just see it fall down. I would be cautious. It is Sunday, so this does have the potential to come up here before we drop. And I think it has a very, very good potential to do that. So I'm just gonna hold off on a re-entry on this until it gives me a higher entry. And if it drops, then it's fine. That is why we use our strategy. And if you have been following it so far, we should have entries all the way up here. Cash out, re-entry, cash out, re-entry, cash out, and now I'll wait on a better entry, and um, just hold the main entries all the way to the bottom. So very good on this trade, very, very good. Has been playing out beautifully. And as a bigger time frame, it has been following very, very, very nice. So we're just gonna wait on it to finish off strong, and this daily go all the way down into our -27 finally, and so ultimately this week I am expecting um 129,600. So we are gonna be seeing a 130, 150 pip TP. Yep, 150 pips, I would say. So 150 pips, guys. Very good trade for USDCAD to continue on the downtrend. Be cautious on this possible retrace, and in order to hold that retrace, guys, possible all the way to the -27, really 60 pips. So you would be needing to hold a 60 pip drawdown in case you're trying to go in right now and short it again. You would be facing a 50 pip, 60 pip drawdown. I'm sorry. So you would really need around 80 pip stop loss if you are trying to ride this baby all the way down to the next TP. So we're going to put it at 80 pips right there if you're going to try to go in now. And we are going to put that 150 pip TP. So that is your choice there. That played out beautifully over here. Hopefully it'll play out same as over here. So beautiful setup so far, guys. I am super excited. I'm going to start making some other pairs since we have already seen all of this, and I am gonna make a video tomorrow starting I think I'm gonna put GBP USD. I'm gonna mark up gold for you guys, and a couple other pairs that I like. I'm gonna mark them up and we'll go from there. All right, so USD Mexico. USD Mexico, guys, we had been following it since around this zone, if I'm not mistaken. I had this whole thing called, man, beautiful M, guys. Go to my second video where I showed that beautiful M. So now we're coming down here, and I believe we're getting ready to drop on USD Mexico. So we're getting ready to drop all the way down here to our TP that we've been waiting for. And once we touch there, guys, we're going to cash out of our trade and look to see if we're going to break out or if we're going to go up there. So that is what we're looking on Mexico, and pretty simple on this one. We're already going to do the math on it. Nothing more really to say. And I'm going to put the stop loss right on top of the wicks. That is 190 pips, guys. Remember, Mexico is very volatile, very, very volatile. And we're getting paid 400 pips for that hold. So 1 to 2, it is still very good trade. If you go down to 4 hours, you catch a smaller stop loss TP. But you know, the best TP would be that one that I'm saying. So 150 if you take off 50 pips stop loss, 50 pips on that stop loss. Yeah, so that's the one I'm using. I have my stop loss on top of this, and yeah, I believe it's 160 pips. So 10 pips difference from this. And we are gonna move on to the last pair, guys. And it's going to be USDJPY. What is USDJPY doing? Let's find out. Going to our green zone. Going to our green zone, guys. I think we are going to see some consolidation here in these next couple 4 hours. And after I see something nice, I am about to start selling. So right now I'm seeing some very, very nice divergence that I'm liking here. So we are about to start selling this very soon, guys. I just really need to see a little bit more confirmation, just a bit more to show me something that just makes me want to just jump in. You know, right now I'm not too excited about jumping on this pair just yet, but I am excited because I know that the entry is coming and coming soon. I see this messing around a bit more, and this is kind of what I'm expecting right here, guys. So something around that that something around that. So it's gonna end up messing around and hitting that uh that green zone, hopefully. But what was I gonna say? It's gonna end up hitting this blue trend line. It's gonna end up messing around, hitting that blue trend line. Once it hits this blue trend line, that breakout is really what I'm looking for. So I'm still looking for something messing around sideways before I even enter this market. But I would definitely keep my eye on it and see where it's going, because you see this 5-minute divergence as well, guys. Goes up, and on here it's going down. I'm telling you guys, this is getting ready to drop. So we're gonna do the math on this, and we're gonna see from these early entries what would be uh, the math. So the math right now is looking like, let's find out, guys. Not working. Okay. Give me a quick second to find out the math for you guys. We are gonna find it out. Don't worry, guys. We're gonna see how much we're risking on this. We are gonna see what is the risk reward. I wanna know. I wanna know. Hopefully y'all do too. Because guys, if y'all ain't trading live on this, it's okay, but that should be your goal. That should be your goal, to trade live, and to see uh, what your risk reward ratio is. It should be the most important thing in your book. It doesn't matter if it's 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4, as long as getting consecutive more wins than else, then you're good to go. So right now, guys, on USDJPY, looking at a 40 pip stop loss. 40 pip stop loss, 80 pip TP1, and our diagnosis for the long run, 100, and that's 200, and diagnosis for the long run, 400. So that is what UJ is looking at right now. Truly excited about this pair, and yeah, guys, so that's pretty much all I got for Forex market at the moment. Oh man, I'm gonna start making these videos a little earlier, guys, in the afternoon. If anything, I'll be getting so tired whenever I leave them till the end of the day, because drop my mouse, because it's been such a hectic day. And then but I made myself a goal, made myself a promise that I was gonna get them done. So I'm here, and hopefully y'all are getting a lot of value from them. I hope y'all are. Other than that, if y'all need anything, like I've said, let me know. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Disclaimer before I leave: I know I should have said this at the beginning. Sorry, keep forgetting sometimes. But please remember that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not certified in any way. The advice I'm giving you is solely my advice, my own personal theory on the market. And please do your risk management on the trades, and don't do anything crazy. Don't do anything that you cannot afford to lose. So with that being said, guys, I love y'all. Stay blessed, and I will see y'all Tuesday to see what's going on for some very nice entries. Tuesdays are best days for trading. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So check out Tuesday's video to see what we are going to be doing, guys. All right. Check you later. Stay blessed. Have a beautiful week. And let's catch some pippage. Later, guys. Bye.